If you believe your work has affected your mental health, either by causing a new condition or making an existing one worse, you may be able to make a claim for workers' compensation. This can help with treatment costs, cover part of your wages if you need time off, and provide support to help you return to work safely. Here, we'll talk about making a claim for a mental injury and how WorkCover decides claims. If the thought of making a claim is hard, you could watch this video with a support person or your treating health professional. To make a claim, first see your doctor and ask them for a work capacity certificate. You'll need this to make a claim. It tells us about your mental health condition, how it happened, what treatment you need, and if you need time off work. It's a good idea to share the certificate with your employer and let them know about your injury. We'll also contact them as part of the claims process. Next, making a claim online is the quickest way to get your claim to us, but you can also use a paper form or give us a call to get started. You'll need to provide some personal details and information about your work. Next, we'll call you and ask you to share more details about your injury and how it happened. We'll also tell you about support services available. You might be asked to provide evidence like documents or witness accounts to support your claim. Watch our other videos to learn more about providing us with your statement and evidence. We'll provide your employer with the details about your claim and ask them to respond. We'll only release information to them that's relevant to your claim. If there's a dispute about your claim, we'll make sure there's a fair process where information is shared and everyone has a chance to respond. Every WorkCover claim must meet specific criteria. This means not all claims can be accepted. First, evidence needs to show that your mental injury was caused by work. If we're unsure if this is the case, we might need to speak to your doctor or get more medical information. There are also time limits for making a claim. Usually your claim needs to have been lodged within 6 months of when you first saw your doctor. Sometimes individual circumstances mean we'll waive this timeframe, so ask us if you're unsure. You must also be considered a Queensland worker. Where a mental injury is caused by management action, when it's taken in a reasonable way, it's not covered under workers' compensation in Queensland. Watch our other video to find out more. While we're deciding your claim, you can usually access mental health treatment funded by WorkCover, so you can start getting better now. See our website or speak to us about accessing this support. WorkCover is required by law to decide your claim within 20 business days. But sometimes it can take longer. If that happens, we'll let you know and explain the delay. While we're deciding your claim, we can't pay you weekly compensation or wages for time off work. If you need financial support, you might consider applying for Centrelink payments or checking if your superannuation fund includes income protection insurance. If you make a claim, we're here to guide you through the process. See the resources on our website for more information. If you have questions, give us a call. We're here to help. Queenslanders injured at work can also access the Workers' Psychological Support Service to connect with community services. Call 1800 370 732 or visit wpss.org.au to find out more. If you need advice or assistance, you could talk to your union or contact the Workers' Compensation Information and Advisory Service for Workers on 1800 102 166. If you need help in your language, call 1800 512 451 and ask for an interpreter.